Hi everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a cute little bunny rabbit. So let's get started. Okay, so to start our bunny rabbit, we are gonna make the face first and we're going to make a dumpling-like shape. Okay, so a dumpling-like shape like this. First, mark an area which you can consider the head. Okay, this is the top head part. Okay, ears are gonna be here, about here. Okay, so first of all, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna sketch it a little bit, like creating a dumpling-like shape, like so. Okay, like something like this. Okay, first we're gonna be doing this. Okay, so after this I'm going to first create the ears. Let's get those out of the way. Just go up, curve, bring down. While bringing down, just bring them near. Okay, like this. Do the same here. Okay, bring them up, curve, bring down. While bringing down, just bring them near, like this. Okay. Now we're going to create the inside. And there we go. And same here. Now we are going to create the body, and for that you just need to create an oval-like shape, like an egg-like shape. Okay, kind of think of it like that. Yes. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to create the feet. For that, what we're going to do is we're going to create circles. These are also going to be oval-like shapes. Okay. We're going to do the same for here. Okay. An easy trick to this is measuring, like at a point or something, like here. For example, I've made point. Okay, just for reference, when you draw enough, you can like do it without doing this, but sometimes it's easier like this. Okay, so start off from here. Let's create the face first. Okay, like let's give it a cute bunny nose. Okay, like this. Cute little bunny nose. We're gonna create its mouth. For that, we are going to create these U-hook-like shapes. Okay. Eyes, I'm thinking these oval shapes. Okay, or you know what, let's go in another direction. Let's instead create circles, okay, like a big circle that are right here, okay, and a big one here, and two little ones like right here, and another one about here. Okay, now let's just color this in. And for the feet, we are going to again draw and shape inside of it, okay, like just connect it like so, and just connect it like this. And then for the toes, I'm gonna create 3 ovals, okay. And for the hands, what we're gonna do are we're gonna create 2 ovals. After we have created the ovals, we're gonna add 3 lines. 1, 2, 3, okay, and 1, 2, 3, like this, okay. And these 3 lines are the fingers, okay. And in the center, how about we give him a carrot? This part right here is the green leafy type area that a carrot has, okay. I really hope you like this tutorial. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. And this I've put this on different kinds of merchandise, okay, like stickers and shirts. So if you want to buy this, you can go to the link in the description below and buy this. So till then, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.